cannot get over my short hair. I love it so much. I think I want to actually go shorter with it. What do you guys think? Welcome back to my channel, everybody. First off, I want to say I'm sorry that I missed last week's upload. I was kind of going through a little mental fog. We're not going to get into it today. My house definitely suffered, so we're going to be doing a deep clean today. But I'm also going to be getting rid of all of my fall stuff to get ready for Christmas because Vlogmas is just around the corner. And yes, I am doing Vlogmas this year. I was debating not doing it just because I just haven't really been feeling up to filming lately. But we're going to push through, and I decided that I am going to do it. Filming is like one of my outlets, and I love doing it. I love posting YouTube videos for you guys. So we're just going to keep it as is, and I'm going to do Vlogmas this year. I'm going to show you guys the state of my house. It's not bad, but it's worse than normal. So like I have all of this stuff out from like, I think 2 days ago I made pizza. So I just kind of left that out. I left the oven out, toaster, just like, you know, everything. I have like trash here. I have these baskets that I just kind of like stuck there, but I don't like that. A box that I got, and then I got another box. And it's just, it's a mess. Like I haven't even been picking up after myself. And like, I've literally been living on that couch. So that's a mess. And I have like my shoes everywhere. I have like just stuff out, more shoes. My desk is a wreck. Aspen's been like knocking down all of my holiday stuff, but like I haven't even cared to put it back up. What are these scissors doing here? Well, got scissors there. And the bathroom's not that bad, but like I have Aspen's food just everywhere. I try to keep it clean in here for the sake of him, but like it's just things are out of order. I don't like that. And then you can't see it, but there's like litter all over the floor from the litter. Oh, I did have a subscriber ask me how my cat gets into his litter box, because right here is his litter box. He can't open that on his own, but there is a little doggy door, well, kitty door right there where he can go in and get out from. So that is how that happens. And I'm not even going to attempt to show you my bedroom because I'm not even going to do it today. But it is a wreck. It is way worse than my house. But yeah, so this is what I have to work with. And then, like I said, the floor needs to be swept because there's just like so much trash. You can't see it on camera, but there's so much like dirt and stuff from outside. So we're just going to work on that today. Then over here, I like still have coffee in my pot from like a few days ago. I have this that I haven't even bothered to throw away yet. I have dishes I still need to do. This I haven't even put in the fridge. Like, I also have like all along my couch is just like complete dirt everywhere, like even on the spots where I'm sitting. So like this sheet definitely needs to be taken off and washed. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today, but it's definitely something that needs to get done. So, and then I have to wash all these blankets. Like there's a blanket on the ground, like, y'all. Let's get into better lighting over here. I hate whenever I get into these moods because my house definitely suffers, but it's not only that, I don't thrive in chaos. So whenever my house is a wreck, I also feel like a wreck. So I like to keep things in order so that I can just kind of help better take care of my mental health, I guess. But let's just clean up real quick, then we'll take down all the fall stuff, and then we'll do a deep clean so that it is ready for me to decorate for Christmas. Not in this video, but in another video, but we can have it all set up and ready to go.
When all the rivers flow into the ocean, every little wind turns into storms. What if everybody's used to their own features? What if we got nothing more than this? Please remember what I said about my...
Yo, I have about the craziest cat in the world. Aspen, what are you doing? What you doing, bub? You a crazy cat, but you the cutest cat. Okay, so I already feel so much better having my house just picked up. I haven't even done the deep clean yet, but first I'm going to pick up all of my fall stuff. And my mom was telling me how she probably will want it. It's still November right now, and we are having a Thanksgiving party at the end of the week, but by the time this video comes out, it would have been yesterday. But right now I'm filming like a week beforehand, so she was saying that she might want some of my fall decorations just to kind of decorate her house with. That way she doesn't have to like go buy new stuff and or anything like that, which I totally don't mind. So I probably won't show you guys like my complete like declutteration, I guess, of all of my fall stuff. I'm just gonna probably put it all right here. I'll probably use this for Christmas, but for right now, I'm just gonna put this back up. Don't you fall and break. Okay. This thing was so cute. I love this so much. I was kind of afraid to eat the candy though, because I was like, well, I like how cute it looks. And that's okay. Let's just cutting boards, cookie jar. That works. But the way that I think that Vlogmas is gonna work out this year is I'm gonna film every single day just like I did last year. That was definitely challenging, but it was also really fun. So I am definitely going to attempt to do that again. Oh, Aspen! For whatever reason, I stopped recording, but I was just saying how my cat is just being extremely ridiculous. And I said this too, that I loved these this year. Oh my goodness, this is by my coffee pot. It was just so cute and so perfect. And I got like all this stuff from Dollar General, which was amazing. You silly cat. No, don't knock that over. Come on, bud. But anyways, I got all that from Dollar General, so I really enjoyed decorating for fall this year, y'all. That was so much fun. I absolutely enjoyed it to pieces. I loved all of my decor, but now it is time to decorate for Christmas. I almost forgot about my little wreath here. Need to take this down. I want to show you guys, I have been obsessed with the way that I decorated my little coffee table. I know I redid it a couple of times, but this one I was so obsessed with, and I actually glued, well not glued, but I put like a little something like a little putty. That's what it's called. I put a little putty on here because my cat kept on knocking it over. And then this is actually 2 bowls that I just kind of stacked on top of one another to make it look, you know, just like a little art piece. And I think it's came out really cute. I want to get me like an actual decorative bowl, but I was trying to save money and this worked out just perfectly. So that was amazing. Then I had this plant that I thought, and then I saw this really cute thing where you put stuff on books. I'm probably going to keep that for Christmas too. And this was actually a shelf that I found in my cabinets over there that I wasn't using. So I was like, you know what? I'll just put that on here. And I love the way that it came out. And then this was like $10 at Walmart. It's just a plastic little not little, but like a plastic pumpkin. And I'm obsessed with this. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait for next year. I'm going to decorate for fall again. I am so obsessed with the way this looks. I'm so sad that I'm taking it down, but Christmas time. Sometimes I feel absolutely ridiculous. So I don't know about you guys, but like this year, I feel like I'm not very much in the Christmas mood. So I'm hoping that like decorating for Christmas will kind of get me more into that spirit, because it is still November. So I mean, I get it that it's not really Christmas time. That Thanksgiving still hasn't happened yet whenever I'm filming this video, but I'm like, I don't know, I'm normally always in the Christmas spirit, and I'm normally super excited, but this year I'm just kind of like, not really there for it, you know, but I mean, he just gets into everything. Like whatever I'm doing, he's just there and wants to be a part of it. And which I mean, I guess is fine. I'd rather him be a part of my life than not and just ignoring me. But it becomes annoying whenever I'm trying to like do something and he's just all up in my business. So many pumpkins. Pumpkins Forgot about these little guys. Grab these. I am making a mess. Got all these little pumpkin guys. I've really had a lot of decorations this year, like a lot of pumpkins. But you know what? I'm not sorry for it. Almost forgot about these little guys. All these pine cones. I might put these pine cones back up for Christmas because it's still Christmassy, but I'm not sure yet. And then my little fall candle, I might still have that just for Thanksgiving. Let's see, this is Thanksgiving-ish. Oh, that's right. It still has my seashells in there. Oh, Game of Thrones. I finished it, y'all. I actually finished it. It was so good. It wasn't like as amazing as I thought that it was gonna be. It wasn't like, oh, this is the best show ever, but it was good enough to where like I wanted to watch it again. Oh, I forgot about these little guys. So much fall stuff everywhere. But it was good enough to where I was like, okay, I would like to watch it again. But then I started watching it again and I was like, actually I don't really want to watch it again. My little pumpkin thing. My sister actually convinced me to keep this. I was going to return it. She's like, no, it's okay. You should keep it. So I was like, all right, fine. All right. Is that all of my, so many fall things. So can add that to the pumpkin pile. Ooh, you guys, I actually got a new vase. Okay, do y'all remember a couple of weeks ago, I went to the dollar store and I got that vase. Y'all, I broke a vase. I put it like in a basket inside my buggy. Well, the basket decided to fall out of the buggy because my buggy was chock-a-block full and it fell on top of the vase and broke it. And I was so disappointed because I was like, it was so beautiful and so unique. And I'm just like, no. And it was the only one in the store. So I was like, dang it. I don't know if y'all remember that or not, but I was so very happy because me and my friend went to another dollar store by her house and they actually had it. So months later, they had it and it was like the last one in the store. So I literally held it like this and I was like, I'm not letting this go. I'm not letting this break. And it was actually only like $5 to where like the one before was like $10. So I got it also for a deal, which was great. So all in all, it all worked out. All right, I think that is all of my fall things. I have like in here the little pumpkin bowl, then I have the pine cones, all of these pumpkins, and then I have these pumpkin things. Yep, and then right here I have my little fall thingamajigger. Then I have to wash all these, that's why I have my blankets up here. But that is all of my fall stuff. And now my house looks so bare. Oh, I forgot about those. Okay, so for Christmas, I do not know if I'm going to keep these up there or not, but for sure, I am getting rid of the fall colors. Yeah, that looks so sad. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet, so I'm just going to leave it there. Let's add this to the fall pile. Woo! Okay, so now I have to see what of all of this my mom wants to decorate with for Thanksgiving. So I'm going to bring this into her, see what she wants, and then I'm just going to put away the rest, and then we're going to start deep cleaning this house.
When all the lights are heard.
Okay, I feel so much better now. I actually took a little break to come over here where there's like better lighting. So I actually went inside with my family and I started helping them set up the Christmas tree and kind of decorating for Thanksgiving. So I've been doing that. for the past probably like 2 hours, and then I came back in here and I finished up cleaning my house. Now I was gonna go to the store. I'm really just not feeling up to it today, so that'll probably be just a tomorrow project, but I pretty much got everything done that I needed to. My house is looking so much better now, and it's so weird seeing it all white again. Like, I love it. It just makes me feel like so clean. Like, let me show you guys. So like it's all just like clean and white and just not having like any decorations. I do have like a pile of blankets that I need to wash, but I'm also gonna take the couch cover and wash it as well because everything is just white. It's like, what the heck? All right, so I guess that's going to be it for this video, you guys. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I really hope that y'all had a great Thanksgiving and that y'all are excited for Christmas because, like I said before, I'm trying to get excited for Christmas. And this really did help. Like, I'm excited for Christmas. I'm not so excited for Vlogmas because I know it's going to be a lot on me, but it's going to be fun. I'm just trying to get back into the mode of making vlogs again. So this is actually really fun. I enjoy doing this. All right, enough of me babbling and just yammering on. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love each one of y'all. I hope that y'all are safe and well, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.